So guys, just come into Mitchell's beauty room to just steal.
Get out of my beauty room. Hi guys, hello. I don't know where this video's just started, but I know it didn't start here. So wherever you've just been, hi again. Today is a really exciting day because I am going to organise all my makeup ready for tomorrow because my drawers of my makeup storage go in tomorrow. So yeah, I just wanted to take you along with me and show you how much makeup I've got and really just confess to how much of a makeup addiction I have. First of all, I just wanted to show you Walter, but he's underneath the tree.
What are you doing, son? Hey?
Anyway, back to the matter at hand, makeup. Ooh. So, I don't think this is gonna all be done today. Where do we even start? I'm gonna show you my beauty room as it stands right now. This is my beauty room kitchen. There's literally makeup in every single one of these drawers. Yep. 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 My kitchen sides are full. Then another packet of crisps, which I don't know how they got there, so let's just ignore that. And then my couch, which normally looks so much nicer than this. Then over here we have my Morphe photo. I think I'm gonna give this to my mum. I don't know how I feel about having that in my beauty room, I just don't know. Then we have my office space. I'm gonna sort all this out today. My actual beauty storage and my makeshift filming space. Let's do this. Let's get to organising. My Amazon package has just come, well, one of them, because I've basically ordered some organisers to go in my drawers, so I just wanted to show you what came. I saw these on Jamie Genevieve's YouTube, and anything Jamie Genevieve has, I just want it, because I love her. These are the iDesign ones from Amazon. I'll link them down below. I got loads of different sizes. These are the large ones, which I'm gonna put like foundations and stuff in. Got 8 of those, and then I got loads of these long ones, which I thought would be really good for like displaying powders. Yeah, I wish Amazon just sent everything out all at once, rather than loads of different boxes. It's a bloody nightmare sometimes. These weren't cheap. I think I ended up spending like £700 on organisers, which is obviously ridiculous, but it's something that I've needed for the longest time. Probably bought more than I needed, just because I'm like that. You'll learn this as you get to know me more here on YouTube. But I just like to have options, you know? This is kind of what sold me on them, is the fact that you can stack them. And this, it's amazing if you want to create space in small spaces. Now I'm taking everything out my drawers in sections. I'm going for like foundations and concealers first because I feel like that's always like my first step. This is what we've got so far. I don't want to do anything else just yet. I still want to keep doing my liquids, like my foundations and stuff, because I'm going to go to the studio where I've got probably 10 times all this, so I don't want to organise it and then have to reorganise it again when I have the rest of it.
Oh no.
Here we are. Now we can actually organise properly because I've got all my organisers now. So these are like the extra trays. The amount of boxes that we get in this.
I know, we're gonna have to book a rubbish collection.
It's basically a house of 2 influencers. We're an influencer house, but only on some days we get engagement.
But we rarely influence
each other to eat really bad food. So I've got another one of them ones. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these, which I think I'm excited for these ones. 8, 9.
That face of guilt that you just gave me.
12, 13.
Mitch!
I'm shook.
I'm panicking.
I'm panicking and I'm vulnerable. We've got one more box. I feel like I'm a bit let down by these.
What are you gonna put in there?
I thought they were bigger.
Good for jewellery.
I just expected them to be like that big. Anyway, you win some, you lose some. What I don't like about these is they're not square. They're curved, so they don't fit things perfectly. That's what I always try and aim for. I always try and aim for things with a really square edge, because they just go in things a lot easier. Normally drawers are square, so now we're going to my old studio. Oh my god, I just said old studio like it's like not mine anymore. Basically, I just never work there because it's a bit too small, and obviously I have this beautiful space.
What do you have, sorry?
I have this beautiful space now, so I just want all of my makeup to be here. I'm gonna go pick up, I've got an IKEA bag and then a box to put everything in, so then we can kind of organise as we go and not just hold it all as little single foundations. Let's go. This is Ham. We were downstairs, well we still are downstairs.
Now it's just gonna be ha.
It's right now, because Ash didn't even go in, but this is what I'm wearing today. First tip when you're organising, do not wear nice clothes. It just doesn't work. This is Andrea's. This is my best friend's mum's salon. And then this is my best friend. This is ham. Obviously we're closed right now because of COVID, but if you've ever walked down these stairs, when I used to teach classes down here, you'll know that you probably nearly broke your neck on these stairs.
This is where our friendship was born.
So yeah, this is ham. It's actually gorgeous. I always forget how beautiful it is. But yeah, this is my drawers.
Oh no.
And then I think the bottom with lips. Yeah. And this don't even open because there's that much stuff in here. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. So we're gonna put all this into these. So we did that. We got it done pretty quickly.
Yeah.
This is everything. Oh no, I'm not handing it to you. How are you trying to video me while she's driving? Typical. I was literally going like this, and she's like, "I don't hold the camera." But I just wanted to show you the sky tonight, because I feel like that's all people that have done this year. Yeah, look.
Crescent moon.
The sky looks absolutely stunning tonight. I don't know if you can see the moon, but
The car crash, there'd be so much smashed foundation. I think there'd be more foundation than both our blood combined.
probably. How many gallons of blood do we have in our bodies?
12 pints.
Is that it?
I think we've only got 12 pints of blood.
No, I think we've got thousands of pints, you know.
Thousands?
No, I do. I think because
Thousands?
I remember hearing
Maybe
it.
you're a large.
Bye.
Yo.
Bye. I'm never filming again. YouTube over before I've even started. So I've gone and picked up everything from the studio, and this is kind of what I have left of stuff that I still want to keep. It might seem a bit excessive, but I am a makeup artist and I do like to have options, you know? First of all, I'm going to clean all the bottles just because I don't want dirty bottles going in my clean storage. So Dettol wipes, these come everywhere with me. Before COVID, after COVID, forever and always, I will be using Dettol wipes. So now guys, I'm gonna take one of my trays. It's quite long. It's not too deep, but I quite like that because then you can't struggle to get into it. So I'm gonna put my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundations in first. I'm gonna tip them upside down so then I can see what shades they are. That way I can order them in what shades. So lightest to darkest or darkest to lightest. Just makes it a little bit easier when I'm actually looking in the drawers then. Right, so my lightest shade that I have is 230. Guys, let's just not talk about how I look right now, but we've really made progress today. I'm really proud. I'm not finished yet. I'm gonna do a few more things before I call it a night, but I'm actually gonna get an alcoholic drink as well because I think I need it. But here is what we've got so far. So here, we've got concealers of every kind, and these are amazing again because these stack up. Got my powders, got more powders, foundations, other foundations, more foundations. Now I'm just making a start on, this is cream bronzers, cream blushes. Hello, my babies, blush. And then yeah, I think we're gonna do highlighters next. So guys, it is now 11:15 and I need to go to bed because I've been at this all day and I think I've done a really good job, but I'm gonna pick up in the morning. So this is my beauty room right now. Stunning. But let's look at this. So these are all gonna go in my drawers tomorrow when my drawers get put in. It's just a nice quick like preparation for when my drawers are in. But this has been a long day. Bye, good night. Okay guys, so we're back and the drawers are finally going in. I am so excited. We've got a few drawers in already. We're gonna have like these white boards that go over the front, so obviously it won't be wooden, but finally, I can't wait. But we've still got a lot to do and get through, so that's gonna keep me busy. I've realized that I have to lay my tall foundations down, so I've just added a few more trays and filled them with lay down foundations like this, and this, and this, and this, which I actually prefer. I think it looks a lot more clean, and plus they don't fall over then, so there's less chance of them smashing and getting all over my brand new drawers. But yeah, now I am working on lips. So I'm starting with like bullet lipsticks and then we're gonna go from there. Hi guys, so we're just having a little break. Abby's been having a makeup done, showing me makeup.
I'm halfway through, but we're using Feet on the Ground by the Queen, Holly Flynn.
I'm gonna eat some of Ariana's rice.
Why do you always like eating other people's food more than your own?
Tastes better when it's not yours.
No, he actually, whenever we have people over, he'll eat off everyone's plate except his own.
Oh yeah. We're getting there. and I can't wait for you to see. I've done all lips, well, I'm nearly finished with lips. And then I've just got to do eyes. And I've left eyes till last because I feel like it's going to be the most fiddly because it's loads of pigments and stuff.
All different shapes, aren't they?
So this, guys, is an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. And when I did American Beauty Star about 10 years ago, they made us cover the brand with a sticker, and I found it in my kit before. And obviously I'm not going to use it because it's probably out of date.
Overdate.
Overdate.
Probably
about
very overdate.
6 years out of date, but it's just a nice little memory. So guys, the drawers are in. Obviously, they're not fully done yet. It's how satisfying. They come all the way out, which is exactly what I wanted because I didn't want you to be able to like not reach the back because sometimes I find with like IKEA stuff, it ends up like stopping there and then you've got to reach for the back. So I wanted it to come all the way out, which it does, which I'm so excited about. There's 14 drawers, so I'm probably not gonna fill I mean, I probably will fill all of them to be fair, now that I'm looking at how much makeup I've got, but finally coming together. They're gonna put these over the front, so then it just looks like a nice white drawer. Ugh, I'm so excited. It's finally coming together. And then over here, still lots of shit on the floor, of course. Ariana's there, she looks glam. Oh, gorgeous. By Holly Flynn.
Feet on the ground palette. Blush.
Blush. It's absolutely mental. But yeah, time to transport this into the drawers. And I'm gonna be honest, it's been so much better doing this while I can see it all out rather than doing it in drawers. So I definitely recommend. Okay, so now I'm gonna just go through these palettes and pick just what I want to keep and what I'm gonna give away because I feel like people always want palettes. So I'm just gonna go through it and just pick what I use, what I don't use. So pretty. Very satisfying. That, I don't know how I feel about that. If anyone's got things with holes, like, I've got a bit of a phobia of things like that, so I'm gonna keep it though because it's really nice. Carnival palette, I mean, you know I've never actually used this yet. Because when this came out, it was like, my palettes were way underway and I've just been so focused on that, but still not used it. I'm gonna do a look with this, mango. Wow. Take. This one, I'm gonna keep that just because it's cute. And it's Patrick's. Okay, so now I've taken everything off my desk just because I want to clean it, because it's probably not had an actual clean ever since I got it. It's probably my favourite thing out of the room, to be honest. I love a glass desk. I just think it's so nice and so open. It doesn't cut off any space. It doesn't look heavy. Don't mind this stuff. That's all gonna go. Oh, by the way, my drawers are nearly done, but I'm gonna talk you through that in a bit. I'm just missing 2 drawers. But the only thing is with the glass desk is fingerprints. And I tell you what, we always touch this table. It's just such like a, we like gather around this table, I don't know why. So yeah, gonna clean it now. Really fun. Why did I do that? I am not clever. Oh my god, oh my god. I swear I didn't even do that for the video. What the fuck I just done? I swear. Don't do that, guys. Here's me thinking I'm cool, getting like a cool angle. Right guys, so we're finally kind of clean over here. Well, we are clean over here. Obviously these drawers need to be done in the morning, but he just didn't have the right things for it. So it's gonna be done in the morning, so ignore that. But basically I'm gonna organise my drawers now and I'm gonna do eyes, face, then lips. So I think my first drawers are gonna be palettes, because that's what I normally like look to for inspiration. So I think if it's the easiest thing for me to see, I'll never kind of get in a rut. So I'm gonna lay all my palettes, I think all the way across because I've got that many, and I wanna lay them all out so then I don't forget about palettes, because I feel like that's what we all do. We all always forget that we've got loads. So this is still a bit hectic. My babies.
Oh my god, imagine if you cracked them all on the floor.
So, Carnival, I'm gonna lay that there. I'm gonna go in with my Nikki palette.
Lovely.
Lay that there. That's good. Got Venus 1 and Venus 2. Remember these palettes, guys? I forgot I even had them. So pretty. This, I'm gonna need to do a look with this because I feel like I've just found a solution. The Pat McGrath ones. This one's gonna go
so nice.
here. Oh my god, this makes me so happy, you don't understand. One thing I do like about the Morphe, well, I like quite a lot about the Morphe palettes, but I like how they're all really similar sizes, so that way they can be stored easier. We'll get the Archie palette there. Go there. Oh, perfect.
Squeeze.
Like white
stuck
chicks.
in forever now. You literally remind me of, you know, in Lord of the Rings, like my precious.
Honestly, guys, don't think you ever catch me looking like this again. This is just because I've been doing things. My babes in here, of course.
Would you not put them like there and there and then slot everything else around it?
Let's do there and there.
Nice.
Got this, which you guys will see by now, but that's my mini palette.
Oh.
It's launched for Black Friday.
Oh my god, that blue.
I know, it's so pretty.
Wow.
Let's do a proper swatch.
Not an Irish swatch. Oh. Them shimmers are actually incredible. Right, you've got to do the blue one now. It reminds me of Frozen, that.
Now I'm going to put my other palette in.
Sorry.
We're going nowhere.
You shush. Hello, everybody. That is nice.
Then I've got this, which I actually really want to use. It's a sample palette. I've never tried it, but it's stunning.
That is so nice.
So pretty. Kaylee's palette. I love this palette. It's so pretty.
Yeah, I like that.
She killed it. And now she's got her own brand. Amazing. How we
that?
found that? Yeah, it's the green for me.
It's the green for me.
I am going to try and keep these as kind of true to what I actually use as possible. So we've just done our second drawer, or our third drawer down actually, because we've done palettes, eyeshadows, skin prep in here. We've got a bit more stuff to go in here, but it's actually a Mmmmitchell kit, which I'll probably just put on that side, so there's more space. Foundations. Then in here, a few more foundations and concealers. Then in here, we have bronzers, contours, things for your cheeks. We have setting powders and other things and face palettes. Then it's time for lips, and I've got a lot of lips.
A lot of lip. Guys, just come into Mitchell's beauty room to just steal.
Get out of my beauty room. Right, so we're nearly done. Nearly got them on. We basically got everything in here now. I've got a few free drawers for just like...
I think you need that.
Yeah, definitely. I'm glad I'm not like full to the brim because that'd mean I couldn't grow. Show you I'm gonna give you a proper tour of the room, but yeah, I just wanted to take you through my organisation because it's something that is very highly requested. I feel like that's what you guys love most from me, and how I clean, how I organise, how I do all that. Even though I probably wouldn't clean like I did tonight because I basically drank glass cleaner. This has literally been one of my biggest dreams ever.
I was just about to say.
Yeah, it's actually emotional a bit because like I remember buying IKEA drawers like everyone does, and then I thought, oh, I don't want them to like look like everyone else's. I want them to be a bit different and a bit look. So I bought gold tape and they were so bad. But I bought gold tape and put it all around the edges just because it was the most cost effective. So,
So now
with that
have
being white, it's and I know there'll be a lot of people out there that have got IKEA drawers, which is nothing wrong with them, that'll be wanting something like this one day, and just know you can do it, like I did it. Just gotta work hard, and honestly, probably my proudest moment of 2020 is being able to have some custom wardrobes.
You've killed it, baby.
Thanks, love. Thanks, Sam. Wish I could tag him, but...
I made it. Don't think so. I built this. Thumbs up if you love your beauty room.
I need to start getting my toenails painted. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah, love you guys.